People are making millions in crypto, but they speak a language most beginners don't understand. What is HODL? What's DeFi? Why do people panic at FUD? If you don't get these terms, you'll stay behind. Let's fix that in the next 10 minutes. Blockchain, this is the technology behind crypto. Imagine a digital record book where every transaction is locked and visible to everyone. That's the blockchain. It's secure, decentralized, and unchangeable. Wallet, a crypto wallet stores your digital coins. There are two types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Never leave your crypto on exchanges forever. Use a secure wallet. Gas fees. Gas fees are the cost you pay to process a crypto transaction. Like paying toll tax to drive on a highway. Ethereum is known for high gas fees, but new networks are fixing that. DeFi? DeFi means doing banking without banks. You can lend, borrow, and earn interest, all through smart contracts without any middlemen. FOMO? FOMO makes people buy crypto just because everyone else is buying. It's emotional, risky, and a big reason why many lose money. Stay calm, don't chase pumps. FUD, when media spreads negative news to create panic. That's FUD. Smart investors don't react emotionally to it. HODL? HODL means hold on for dear life, instead of panic selling. You stay strong and keep your crypto long term. Through ups and downs, altcoins. Any coin that isn't Bitcoin is an altcoin. Some are promising, others are garbage. Always research before investing. NFTs? NFTs are digital collectibles that prove ownership. From art to music to in-game items, they're unique and verified on the blockchain. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are like digital robots. They auto-execute tasks, like releasing funds. Once conditions are met, no middlemen needed. DEX. DEXs let you trade crypto peer-to-peer without trusting a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Examples: Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Layer 1 versus Layer 2. Layer 1 is the main blockchain like Ethereum. Layer 2 are helper chains built on top to make things faster and cheaper, like Arbitrum or Optimism. Staking. Staking means locking your crypto to earn passive income. It supports the network and rewards you with new tokens. Airdrop. Free tokens sent to your wallet, just for holding or using a platform. Always check for legit airdrops. Some can be worth thousands. DYOR. DYOR means don't blindly trust YouTubers, influencers, or hype. Read white papers, check teams, and understand what you're investing in. Recap plus bonus tips. You've now learned 15 core crypto terms. Replay this video, take notes, and keep learning. Because in crypto, knowledge is your best investment. This is Crypto Knowledge 05, bringing you clear, no-nonsense crypto education. Next video, the top 5 crypto mistakes that can cost you everything. Don't miss it.